Since my blog is down and Dave is in Australia and I'm in America, I thought I would do a video to kind of keep up. I'm in Alexandria, Louisiana, where I live with my parents, and there's a hurricane. We're not getting very much from the hurricane, just some wind and rain right now, but it's supposed to be headed straight to us. It's gone down to a Category 1. I don't know if you can see the wind. Everybody's real worried, but we've had thunderstorms pretty much worse than this, so just see how it goes. Probably take more video if it gets bad. Catch some storms. Show off our tree with the face. I think he's supposed to be whistling or something. I haven't got a clue. That's pretty much it. Maybe you can hear the wind. Oh, here we go, big gust. A row of trees. I'll make a video if it gets interesting.